kumsi benta ban penbah susu ya ke jinglum khajana value added tax naka kyiad harengkat bat ke petrol bat diesel ha ke jela Meghalaya ka kenhun menteri Sorkar menta kasi ka larai ban penkelai ke jing aipor ba kidai ban siew ya ka VAT syak Sorkar u menteri rang ba habai kran bat kilap thai kubor loi thu naka benta ki petrol ka aipor hadu lai banai ban siew ya ka VAT rei menta on pununano tang hapoh ka lai posi ni si banai.
The fourth decision that was decided today was in terms of the value-added tax when it came to excise as well as to petrol and diesel. Basically, the decisions that were made, there were multiple decisions made. I'm just combining all of them. The idea being is to streamline the overall collection of the VAT. With this, there is no change in the rate, so there's no impact on the consumer. But small changes like the time within which the concerned business houses should pay the VAT collected to the government as per the collections taken place. So the timings of that have been changed. Earlier, for example, just giving you a small example, earlier, for example, in the petrol pumps, they had a period of 3 months of reconciliation for the VAT. So which means that if the VAT was collected on day 1, they could wait till day 100 to pay the VAT money collected by them already to the government. They would have about 100 days to pay that amount to the government. We have reduced that and we've made it into 30 days. So within a month's time, they have to reconcile, and whatever VAT has been collected, they should submit it to the government exchequer. So this kind of amendments have been made. Basically, the idea being to streamline the entire process of VAT collection, which will have no impact on the tax being levied on the consumer as such, but it will only ensure that the efficiency of the collection and the timing of the collection is streamlined.